guys, welcome to my channel and to another video. My name is Ali and I am living in China from last 7 years. I like to go out to travel, to climb mountains, to go to the lakes, to go to the suburb areas. So that's why I have decided to share my journeys with you guys. So I'm living in a beautiful city of Yangjiang. It's a city on the west side of Guangzhou city, and we are located in the southwest of Guangdong province. It's not so far from Guangzhou city. It's 3 hours ride from Guangzhou, and it just takes half an hour from Guangzhou to Yangjiang by fast train. This city is very famous for making knives. They are producing very good quality knives and they are exporting all around the world. And the other thing which is famous about this city is their kites. There are a lot of kinds of kites. Someday I'm gonna take you with me to visit their kite museum as well. They are also exporting kites all around the world. Today my plan is to go to a lake. It's around 25 to 30 kilometers far from the city. So I've decided to come out with my friends. It took us 30 minutes to arrive to our destination. The weather is nice. Today we are having a sunny day after 3-4 days of rains. So we're fortunate enough that we are having Labor Day holidays. So let's go and enjoy the vlog. Quite few people around today. It's because we are having May Day holidays. So in China, we're having usually 5 days holidays for the Labor Days. Usually in some other countries like ours, we only have 1 day holiday. Some families are doing camping. Let me tell you something about this lake. We call it a heart lake because it is in the shape of a heart. This lake is not a natural lake. Actually, it was a mining place, and when the workers saw the water came up, they left the mining and in the shape of heart. Meet my friend Mark. He's from Morocco and he loves swimming. So he's getting ready to swim while I'm planning to climb the nearby mountains to see the view from the top of the mountain. Another day of mountain climbing, so I don't know where I am. I'm just around that lake that I showed you already, and now I am trying to climb a mountain nearby that lake so I can show you another view from another place. So I'm just wondering in the wild, can have a look what's on the other side. Let's see, is this a lake or just a flat ground? Seems like mining place was there. Anyways, we're gonna go from this way and try to climb up this mountain. Let's see what do we have on the other side of this road. Are you tired? Look at my friend Mark. Maybe he's tired. Are you enjoying? You want to go back? You're tired. To go home, let's walk down slowly. My friend is tired. He's been swimming from last 2 hours and a half. So he's calling me down now. There are few people today. Actually, Chinese, they don't like to go out in the sun, especially people from Guangdong, because maybe the ultraviolet rays here in this province are so strong. So they're hiding, they're very careful about their skin. They don't like to go out. I've been living in this city and this province from last 3 years, and I'm already feeling like I've lost my colors of my arms and of my legs, because I'm always traveling around on bike, and yeah, I'm not really good at taking skincare. So let's go back. Go down from the other side and see my friend Mark, Mr. Alami. My friend is from Morocco, and he's here from last 1 year. Ask me, am I done? You tell me, are you done? This guy is tired in just only 2 hours, and he was saying he's so fresh. I see. Hello, Mei.
I hope you do.
So I hope you like these videos, and if you like this kind of content and you want me to make more videos of me living in China, your appreciation would be in the form of, if you like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to leave some comments, because it's gonna help me a lot to improve my videos. So enjoy. See you next time, and again, please subscribe this channel.